Now I will explain you about Net Profit and Retail's settings module. This is settings module. Here in settings module, you can make settings or do settings about the application, about the receipt and the barcode also. And other related settings also you can make here. Here you will get this many settings options. Now I will explain you one by one. This is company setup. Here in company setups, you can do settings according to your company. Like you can give your company name, you should give your company address, business type, what type of business you are doing, and what type of business you are using this application. You can select that, and here in state you will get the state options. From which state do you belong? You can select that state and you can enter that. In about company, you can write the description about your company or the retail store. In GST number, you can give your GST number, PAN number, server location name, company website, owner email ID. If it is there, you can give that email ID. You can give phone number of your company, company pin code. You can also fill the bank details about your company also. Here you can give the bank name, bank branch location, IFSC code, account number also. Additional bank details. If you have any additional bank details about to show in your receipt, you can also give that here, and you can write that description or something else about the bank details. Return policy. In return policy, if you have sold any item to the customer, do your store have any return policy? You can also write that here and it will be printed on your receipt. You can also write that return policy here. Set fixed decimals. If you want any decimals to be added at your receipt, you can also put that. For example, here you can see here maximum items displayed per page. You can also set that how many items should be displayed per page. Here you can give the numbers also. I have given 25, only 25 items will be displayed per page. Default sale discount. If you are selling some item, if you want to give some discount for all the items, you can set that also. By default it will take that discount while you are selling the item. Starting invoice number, you can give here starting invoice number also, from where the invoice number should start. Digits after decimal point, you can also set that how many digits should appear after the decimal point. Round off method, you in round off method it will round off the amount. If it is 72.8 paisa, then it will be taking 73 rupees. Okay, that of round off method, you can take it upward, downward, round or none. I have kept it none because for the customer every amount should be shown. Digits after decimal point for quantity. Here you can also set the digits after decimal point also for quantity. This is for quantity and this is for amount. Default payment term, it means if you are making a bill by quick pay, by default it will take the amount by cash. Here you can change that default term, where you can make default payment term as check, debit card, credit card, phone pay, or you can make a new term also here, and when you save it the term will be saved. I have kept cash because many of times customer will borrow items by cash only. So by default it will take by cash. Default unit. Here in default unit, this belongs to the unit. Okay, what type of item you are selling for the customer. I have kept it number. If you are using this application for a grocery shop, there many of times items will be in kgs, so you can keep the default item as kg. Get report by date. Here you can select how the report should get here. I have selected by date. You can select it by time also. Tally import file path. You can also set the path for the tally when the tally has been downloaded. Enable SMS. If you enable this SMS, you will get the options here. How the SMS should be sent and for whom the SMS should be sent. Like I have said here, for after sales, the messages should be sent to customer or the supplier. Okay, if you want to send messages after sales, after adding customer, after issuing credit card, you can enable this and you can use those SMS for that use. Change SMS message after sale or purchase. You can also write the SMS, what SMS you want to send to the customer. If you want, you can change it, or else you can thank the customer. You can write that message here. Change SMS message for credit notification. You can also write these or customize the message for the credit notification also what you want to send to the customer. Enable WhatsApp message. After enabling WhatsApp message, after every sale and by enabling e-invoice, you will get a WhatsApp icon from where you can send messages to the customer also. If it is unable, the WhatsApp message will be not shown on the receipt. If you enable it, you will get the WhatsApp icon on the receipt after the payment from where you can send the messages to the customer. And here you can change WhatsApp message after sale. Here you can write the message also what message you want to send to the here you can write the message also what message you want to send to the customer through WhatsApp. Here is the same change WhatsApp message for the credit note. Here for credit note you can write SMS by your own what you want to send to the customer. Enable email. If you want to send email to the customer, you can enable this, and you can see here after sales you want to send the email to owner or to customer to others. You can select that, and else you can operate on it. Enable e-way bill. You can also generate e-way bill. If you enable this, you can get a e-way bill option while sale. Enable send feedback. You can also enable this and get feedback from the customers also. Current receipt configuration. Here you can get the receipt configurations also, receipt setting, sequence and credit new configuration, sale prefix, sale return prefix, description about that. Here you will get few options. By enabling these all options, you can make use of these for your application. Like you can enable the distributor and you will get the distributor ID. You can enable the distributor if you want to enable manufacturer also you can enable. Allow employee reference. If you enable this employee reference will be shown on the receipt. Update stock on sales, delete or reject. This also will be shown if it is enabled. ALNU number, if you enable it while filling the item, you will get the ALNU number. Allow edit spot discount after print bill. You can also allow this and you make a spot discount after the print bill. Easy mode. If you enable easy mode payment, after the payment while receiving the receipt, you will not show any pop-up for the confirmation. Update stock, purchase, delete, reject. If you enable this, it will be updated stock on purchase or delete or reject. After filling all the details about your company and setting up the company details and enabling all the configurations what you want, when you click on submit, the details will be submitted and the changes will be made according to your satisfaction. This is how you can set up your company.